Okay, next one, which is your, okay, this is to, okay, this one done already, yeah? Yeah, done already. Okay, next questions. Okay, this is apply table style, which is quite easy. Okay, A4 to B8. Then select the style that you need. Okay, format as table, table duck style number 2. Okay, the duck category, this is number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the one. Okay, I have header, yes, click OK. And that's all. Okay, this is 3D sum. Okay, so we are supposed to enter the sum, okay, in E2. Okay, inside your, okay, sum function E2, which is this one. Okay, so typing equal sum, open bracket, okay, open bracket, and then select, okay, go to from west, click on west, hold down shift, and then select south. Now you let go of your mouse, click, let go of your shift. And now you press enter. Okay. How come? Okay. Sorry, forgot to select this one. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me repeat. Okay. From here, okay, let me erase the formula first because I will mess up. Okay, put sum, select. Okay, I think I redo again. Okay, let me clear first. Okay, so here equal sum open bracket west. Okay, select E2, hold down shift and select south. Now you press enter. Okay, so this is the answer. So basically they do a calculations, a sum from E2, from west, from east, from north, from south. They total up all 4 values into here. Okay. Okay, multiplying. Okay, this is using paste special. Okay, so I go to C13. Because this is the value that they want you to multiply. Okay, so I have to copy first, Control C or click here. Okay, select B5, B5 to B8. Okay, and then go to paste special, multiply. Okay, because they don't want you to use formula, what? No functions. Okay, so you have multiplied by 1.1. Done. Okay, can press escape. Next questions. Okay, okay, hide the formula so that they cannot be seen. Okay, so this one also again protections. Okay, so let's go to B10 and E2. Hold down Control to select E2. Then okay, you have to go to format, format cells. Okay, go to protections, hidden. Okay, then click OK. And okay, we have hidden it, but then you see when I select them, I can still see the formula. So you must remember to protect the worksheet first. Okay, they didn't ask you to give any password, right? Okay, so then you click OK. So now if I click here, there's no password. There's no formula. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, add the functions to calculate. Okay, this is PMT. Okay, monthly repayments. So equal PMT, open bracket. Okay, call the FX if you need guidance. So the rate is annual, so it has to be divided by 12 months. 1 year got 12 months, right? And then if you look at the the loan, okay, the annual length here, okay, usually because the formula that we are using is monthly, so you must convert all year the unit to month, okay, to months, correct. So the rate here is this one, 5% divided by 12. Then number of payment, that means how long you want to clear this loan. Okay, so it's this one, but then 5 years doesn't mean 5 months. So you must multiply by 12. So it's 60 months. Okay, and then how much you loan from the bank? This one, right? Okay, so if you want, you can also put a negative because this is how much we have to pay the money, right? Okay, negative also can. Okay, so if you don't put it, it's also acceptable. Okay, now I click OK. So this is the amount that we have to pay monthly. Okay, overheads, create a data table. Okay, so for this one, it's quite good because they already type in equal C6 for you, but in exam, they won't be so kind for you. They will just leave it blank usually. So you have to ensure that you must link up to a formula that has calculations here. Otherwise, your data table cannot work. Okay, so must remember to type in the exam equal C6. Okay, you have to find, you have to read the question, see which one they want you to find. Okay, so of course, this is the relevant one. So I use this. Okay, so now I highlight this. Okay, go to data tab, what if analysis, data table. Okay, now you look at what do they want us to find. Yeah? Okay, so the overheads increase variables. And if you look at the records here, the values here, these are the inflation rate. Do you see that? Okay, why? Because I saw from here before. So if you look at this one, we're trying to find downwards, right? Okay, it's actually column. Okay, so we have to come to here because you see from 2 to 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, and so on and so forth. These are different variables. Okay, and then which is the formula that will contribute to this one? It's actually this one. Okay, which cell? Can you see that inside this formula, right? On your C6 formula, they use these two values to calculate, right? Okay, so now imagine if it's 2%, then what happened? 3%, what happened? Okay, so this is the in column input cell. Click OK now, then you will get them calculate for you. Do you see that? Okay, why? Because if I were to look at this one, you see, it's very obvious they are doing calculation from here. Okay, it's just that I want to find out if it's not 1.8%, then how much is it? Okay, of course you can still change that, but then one by one change is wasting time. Okay, so we can use this called data table. This is column. If it's like horizontal like this, for example, then you have to use row input instead. Okay. Okay, mixed referencing. This one, okay, D23, okay, equal C23 multiply by D21. Okay, correct. And then you have to add the original amount to C23. Okay, but you have to include bracket. Okay, so we do the simple one first. Okay, so this is the calculation that one. But now they want you to do the mixed referencing so that later when I copy over, it will automatically know which ones to multiply. Do you see that? Currently, these two is correct. Okay, but the moment when I try to drag to the right side, okay, this one is wrong already. Why? You see, they are not supposed to use D23, right? They are supposed to use the 4,200. Okay, so this formula doesn't work, which is why they need you to fix them. Okay, so you have to fix them. Okay, so now if you look at what do you want to lock? Okay, first of all, you have to lock your C23, right? Okay, but because they say mixed referencing, only mixed referencings. So can I say that I want to lock column C or column, okay, if you look at this one, for C, you have to lock it column C. Okay, but you don't have to lock column D, right? Because if I lock column D, later I cannot multiply by 5, 7, and 10, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that means all the C, in fact, the C, I have to add in the dollar sign because I need column C to be locked. Okay, but do I need to lock row 23? Also can. Okay, but over here you see, they don't need you to use the absolute referencing. Okay, so now I go to row 21 because your row 21 got different rate, right? So you have to lock it also. Do we need to lock D? Cannot lock D because if you lock D, they cannot multiply by 5, 7, 10, 12, 15. Okay, so now I press enter. And let's say if I were to drag, okay, so do a double check. You see, now they will know which one to multiply. Okay, press F2, do a double check. F2, correct. Okay, so this is what they meant by the mixed referencing. Okay, macro, they need you to do a macro recording. Okay, so we go to the view tab, or you can simply click this button here, bottom left corner. Okay, so I click on this and I go to record macro. Okay, so what is the name? Footer, no shortcut. Okay, I'm accepting default settings. That means the rest you don't have to bother. Okay, click OK now. They are starting recording. Why? Because you will see the stop button here. Okay, so now they only need to do some footer. Okay, so go to page layout tab. Go to this launcher, then go to footer. Okay, change the footer left sections. So I click on custom footer. Left sections, they need you to insert a file name. So this is the file name. Okay. Then click OK. Click OK. Okay, that's all. Must make sure you stop the recording. So I go to here, then stop recording. Done. Okay. Now save this file as macro enable inside exact folder. Okay, macro enable workbook. Click save. Done. Okay, you don't have to run a macro because they didn't mention anything. Okay, protections. Okay, open up the file from exec folder, employees, and what is the password secret? Password to modify is allowed. Okay, they want you to remove both password, so you must go to save as, or you can press F12. Okay, go to the tools, go to general options, remove both passwords. Click OK. Save and overwrite it. That's all. Okay. Open the file called new hires. Okay. Don't update because they want you to break all the links. Okay, so I go to data tab, edit links. Okay, break all link. Done. Okay, run macro. Go to view tab. view macro, run. Okay. Okay, compare and merge. So go to this button, then copy of sales target. Okay, done. Okay, track changes. So look for the, okay, we can, over here you didn't include, okay, let's go to the review tab. Okay, track changes. Okay, highlight changes. Or, okay, accept, they need to do accepting. Okay, click OK. Okay, reject only D20, but the rest have to accept. So F10 OK, F16 OK, okay, D20 reject. Okay, the rest can accept all. Done. Okay, turn off track changes. So go to highlight changes, switch off track changes, click OK. Yes, remove from share use. So you must make sure the name doesn't have the share anymore because you have already stopped tracking changes. Okay, last questions. Okay, import the text. So this is go to data tab, import from text, and select your Z folder, directors, import. Okay, they want you to use delimiter, correct? Okay, you have header. Do you have header? Yes, you have headers. Okay, click next. Okay, yeah, the delimiter is tab. Okay, then click next again. Finished. Okay, that's all. Okay, so for 46 questions for Advanced Excel 2013 completed. Okay, I'll stop recording now.